Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. So today I thought I'd talk about my favorite vitamin C serums, and basically I've got one for everybody. One that fits each skin type, skin issue, budget, all of that good stuff. So, okay, my first one is my budget pick, and that's the Geek Gorgeous C Glow. It's about 14 bucks. I will link to all these below. This one's great, 15% ascorbic acid. It's got ferulic acid, vitamin E, which is the trifecta for vitamin C. Ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, and vitamin E. Those three apparently are the powerhouse trio you want. This one's fragrance-free and alcohol-free, and it's always fresh. So, and I will talk about the product that this was inspired by, or a lot of these actually were inspired and researched by. But anyway, so this one, if you're on a budget, this was one of the most affordable. I've got a couple that are all, even a little bit more affordable as well. So this one's really nice. So if you're into new stuff and new skincare, this is one I'm just starting to test. It's the Klairs Vitamin PDRN Bouncing Pore Serum, which is 16 bucks. This one's fragrance-free and alcohol-free. So it's got prickly pear PDRN. PDRN is something that's apparently helps with rejuvenating skin, helping with wrinkles and fine lines. I typically think that animal-derived PDRN may be a little bit more beneficial than plant-derived PDRNs, but anyway, I'm not going to debate that in this video. But so we've got prickly pear PDRN, seaweed PDRN, Centella PDRN. We've got a Telosomyl algae extract, which is an anti-aging. It helps with your telomeres. The older you get, the more they shorten, so it's supposed to help with lengthening them. It's got the Argireline peptide, and then finally we've got several vitamin C's. We've got ascorbic acid, we've got ethyl ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, ascorbyl glucoside, and ascorbyl palmitate. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of vitamin C. Oh, this one's got a really nice serum-y kind of gelish texture. And it's still pretty new, so I'm still testing this. So in terms of vitamin C, it's got several types, not a ton of them, but it does have a lot of different ones. And Klairs has a couple of other vitamin C products, which aren't my favorites, but this one's just the newest product. So yeah, anyway, maybe worth checking out or adding in. I typically been using this one at night. So anyway, and typically vitamin C you want to use in the daytime if you can, just because it helps protect your skin from free radical damage, sun damage, helps your sunscreen work better. Okay, next up is the anti-aging powerhouse, and that's the Dermatology Vitamin C, E, and F serum. It's about 51 bucks at Dermatology. So this one's got the 15% ascorbic acid. It's got the 1% ferulic acid, 0.5% vitamin E. Then in addition to that, it's got some peptides in here. It's got the Snap 8 peptide, which is amazing. It's a similar peptide, Botox in a bottle to Argireline, but it's just a little bit newer, and I really like it. And then it's got the Matrixyl 3000 peptide duo. It's fragrance and alcohol free. So this one, if you're looking for some anti-aging benefits in your vitamin C, which vitamin C on its own is anti-aging, but this one added in a couple peptides, which makes it really wonderful. It's a really nice product. Yeah, so for anti-aging, this is probably one of the better ones. Although just vitamin C in and of itself is great. Okay, so this one's the strongest out of all of them. I think it's also the cheapest. So this one's 10 bucks. It's the Isntree Hyper Vitamin C 23 serum. So this one uses 23% ascorbic acid. It also contains a vitamin C derivative called ethyl ascorbyl ether. So I don't know how much of that exactly it contains, but it's got 23% of the ascorbic acid. So it's got a little bit of that. It's also got urea, panthenol, and vitamin E. It's unscented and alcohol-free. It's unscented. It contains gardenia florida extract, which it's somewhere in between a fragrance ingredient and antioxidant, but I thought I would mention that. But 10 bucks, really nice product. I bought it right when it came out. And I think they've got a handful of products now in there. They've got a hyper retinol, hyper vitamin C, hyper exfoliant, all of that stuff. So yeah, really nice and super affordable. Okay, so this is my antioxidant pick. So if you're more into antioxidants, this one is the Alastin C Radical Defense Antioxidant Serum. So this one, the full size is $218. I actually just bought 2 of the mini sizes, where these half an ounce. I bought a couple of these. They were on sale, I want to say, I don't know, a few months ago. And I finished the first one, and the second one is really nice. It's got kind of a lotion texture to it. So I'll just put it right here. There you go. You can see a little bit of it. So nice lotiony texture. So it works well in your morning routine and under sunscreens. They changed the packaging. I think that's why I got it on sale, because the new packaging is different than this. But anyway, so this one for vitamin C, it's got sodium ascorbate. And then it's got ubiquinone or itabanone, which is a great antioxidant. It's got ectoin, another great antioxidant. Green tea. It's got the carnosine peptide, and then pomegranate extract. It's fragrance and alcohol-free, but it is the most expensive on the entire list. So if you're feeling like going on, spending some money on a luxe product, this is quite nice. Really nice texture, plays well with other products. So, okay, let's see. Next up is my dry skin pick, and that's the Peter Thomas Roth Potent C Power Serum. It's $95. So this one uses 20% tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate. Uses vitamin E, ferulic acid, turmeric, ginseng root, and squalane. So there's a lot of different vitamin C derivatives. I've talked about them. I'll try to remember to link to the video below discussing all the different ones. But basically, ascorbic acid is the most proven and studied form. And then we've got all these derivatives. How many? Maybe 10 now, different derivatives of vitamin C. And some of them may have the brightening benefits and the collagen-inducing benefits and the antioxidant benefits. Some of them may not be as much studied as just ascorbic acid, because it is one of the most studied skincare ingredients that exists, to be honest. So, but up there with retinol and retinoids. Anyway, so this one's really nice. Let's see. Okay, if you have acne-prone skin, I've got the Dime Hyper Glow Serum. So this one's $32. I will link to it below. This one uses the ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, and vitamin E trio. And it also contains grapeseed extract, resveratrol, as well as aloe. So this one's really nice, water-like texture to it. And I've ordered it from Ulta. It's always come fresh, so no issues with that. A lot of them, sometimes you'll notice, if they use ascorbic acid, it can start to disintegrate, from the first time you expose it to air. Okay, next up is the Dr. Whitney Bowe Asta-C Defense Serum, which is $88. This one uses tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate and ethyl ascorbic acid, and also includes astaxanthin, turmeric, squalane. It's fragrance-free and alcohol-free, and it's got a nice texture for a morning routine. It's got a little bit of a shimmer in it. Let's see. There we go. It's got, I think, mica in it, so it gives it a little bit of a shimmer, which I honestly, I could do with or without. It doesn't make a whole lot of difference to me, but very nice product and packaging. Okay, my indie pick is the May Love Glow Maker, which is about $33 from May Love. So this one's got the trifecta again, 15% ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, vitamin E. Then it also includes grapeseed extract. It's fragrance-free and alcohol-free, and it's, I think it's a holy grail for a lot of people. It's really nice, and if you haven't tried it, certainly worth giving a whirl if you haven't yet. Oh, Lincoln is in the house, and he's gone. Okay. Next up is my pick for brightening, and that is the Bubble Daydream Vitamin C Niacinamide Tone and Texture Serum, which is $17. So this one uses sodium ascorbyl phosphate, niacinamide, tranexamic acid for brightening, alpha-arbutin for brightening, and licorice root for brightening as well. It's fragrance and alcohol-free. It's got really nice lotion texture. I think this is my second bottle of it. So if you have skin that you need some brightening for, this one's a nice serum for that. And honestly, I'll use this with like the Geek Gorgeous Sea Glow, or sometimes I'll use this at night. So, which is the nice thing about some of the derivatives, because they play well with other products generally. So, okay. Last but not least, it's not my favorite, but it is the fan favorite. And it's what a lot of these products base their serums on. So I don't talk about it a lot, but it is a lot of people's favorites. The SkinCeutical CE Ferulic Serum, which the full size is $185. I got the half size in a beauty box. Or was it the Allure box, or might have been a Derm Store box? But anyway, it's the fan favorite. It's got 15% ascorbic acid, 1% vitamin E, and 0.5% of ferulic acid. It's basically what most of these other vitamin C serums are based on. The research SkinCeuticals and L'Oreal did behind this product. So a lot of people, honestly, the Geek and Gorgeous Sea Glow and this are so close. I prefer, if you handed me these and said the price of these two are the same, honestly, I would probably pick the Geek and Gorgeous Sea Glow any day of the week, because this one always comes fresh. The SkinCeuticals, the couple times I've ordered it in my lifetime history, they have not come nearly as fresh as the Geek and Gorgeous Sea Glow has. So that, and otherwise, formula-wise, they're very similar. So yeah, so that's my thought on it. But I know this is a fan favorite, and so many people are willing to shell out $200 for it. So there's obviously something to this that I don't get, but other people understand. But yeah, for me, I prefer the Geek and Gorgeous Sea Glow because it's fresh and it lasts longer. But a lot of people love this one and trust it more. So I thought I'd add that in there because it is the leading fan favorite. So anyway, so these are some of my favorite vitamin C serums at the moment. Obviously, there's one for everybody, which is nice. So curious if you have a favorite that I mentioned or didn't mention. Leave a comment with it below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys more tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.